Want to hunt for treasure without breaking the bank? We've tested the top models to bring you the 5 best affordable metal detectors of 2025 that deliver professional performance at budget prices. These detectors feature advanced target discrimination, impressive depth detection, and waterproof coils perfect for beaches and parks. Whether you're searching for coins, relics, or jewelry, our picks include lightweight designs, long battery life, and easy-to-use controls for beginners and experts alike. Click the link below to find your perfect detector. Let's explore these hidden gems. Your next big discovery could be just one sweep away. The 5th product on our list is Minelab X-Terra Pro. Minelab's mid-tier X-Terra Pro offers a shockingly comprehensive feature set for its pricing. Designed with adaptability in mind, this machine provides varying frequencies, something typically only found in luxury machines. This lets you vary your detection depending on target type and soil condition. Ready for anything from beachcombing to forest hunting, it is completely waterproof, lightweight, and tough. The iron bias option is particularly noteworthy since it lets you more successfully separate trash from treasure. Its multi-tone audio technology will help you to better see what's under the earth before you dig. The display is clear and instructive. The construction seems strong enough to negotiate tougher ground. This is the kind of detector you can carry with you. It is beginner-friendly with enough sophisticated choices to please more experienced users. The Minelab X-Terra Pro won't let you down if you demand adaptability, personalization, and major performance around $300. Up next in 4th place is the Garrett ACE 300. In metal detecting, Garrett is a household name, and the ACE 300 lives up to that expectation. Because of its superior depth performance and precision targeting characteristics, this machine is very strong in coin and relic hunting. Its digital target ID method uses a 0 to 99 scale to provide you particular insight into what lies behind the surface. Iron audio is one remarkable quality. This allows you to hear the difference between a decent target and trash, like a nail or a bottle cap, so you might avoid the annoyance of excavating pointless holes. The 7x10-inch coil is submersible, hence it is usable in shallow water or damp surroundings, even if it is not totally watertight. Strong battery life and robust build are other hallmarks of the ACE 300. Though still within reasonable weight for long hunts, it is somewhat heavier than others on this list. Its 5 pre-programmed search modes provide further flexibility, and its controls are simple. All things considered, anyone looking to upgrade from a basic detector without straying into high-end price should consider the ACE 300. The 3rd product on our list is the Minelab Vanquish 440. The Minelab Vanquish 440 is your solution if you wish to get pro-level tech without pro-level pricing. The multi-IQ technology of this detector distinguishes it, since it lets it scan several frequencies simultaneously. That translates to improved depth, accuracy, and detection capability in mineral-rich soil, something most detectors at this level of cost find difficult. Its waterproof V10 coil lets you boldly hunt on shorelines, riverbanks, or damp meadows. Perfect for passengers or people with limited room, the detector also folds down readily for travel and is remarkably light. 4 search modes, coin, jewelry, relic, and custom, rule the Vanquish 440. This lowers interference from garbage targets and helps you customize the machine to your hunting objectives. Its quick recovery speed will also be appreciated since it enables targets even in crowded settings to be found. The 440 provides the best of both worlds, advanced performance packaged in a user-friendly package. If you're serious about obtaining clear signals and want a detector that performs well practically anywhere. The 2nd product on our list is the Nokta Simplex Lite Next Gen. Perfect for bridging a novice detector with a more sophisticated machine is the Nokta Simplex Lite Next Gen. Perfect for beach and river detection, it allows you freedom to search free from concern about water damage since it is fully waterproof up to 5 meters. The Lite stands out mostly for its updated interface. While touchpad controls provide quick and easy mode change, the big illuminated LCD screen displays target ID numbers, battery life, and current settings. It provides major flexibility with many search modes, one intended for parks and another for beach use. The adjustable and ergonomic shaft makes comfort possible even during extended hunts. It also vibrates when you strike a target. A little touch, but quite useful in noisy environments or for individuals with hearing loss. This detector feels like it ought to cost more than it does. Nokta has nailed it since they have sought to provide value without compromising important elements. Beginning users who want gear that won't restrict their development and intend to detect routinely will find the Lite Next Gen to be an amazing option. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Nokta FINDX. Budget-wise, the Nokta FINDX is punching above its weight detector. Designed for younger enthusiasts and total beginners, this machine maintains simplicity while nevertheless producing good performance. Its lightweight architecture won't wear you out after an hour of swinging, and its simple control panel will help you navigate it. Its capacity to filter through junk and concentrate on more worthwhile goals is one of its strongest suits. Perfect for hunting in trash-filled places like playgrounds or park paths. The discriminating mode lets users disregard unwelcome metals. Generally picking up coin-sized things buried up to 6 to 8 inches deep, the depth is good for a detector in this price range. Perfect for puddles, small streams, or damp grass, its waterproof coil is. Full submersion is off-limits though, since the control box is not waterproof. Still, the simplicity and performance of the FINDX are difficult to surpass given the cost. The FINDX is a lightweight choice for weekend hunts, or if you are giving a detector to a younger relative. Though not spectacular, in the realm of metal detecting that is quite important since it is practical. That's all for our list of the 5 best affordable metal detectors on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.